All right, guys, we are set up here under the 328. This is something I started doing on my Porsches because they have a, we always want to check the filter and make sure we don't have any timing chain plastic or any of that gunk in there. So then I started thinking about it. I said, why don't I just do it for all of them? That way everybody can see what the oil looks like coming out. Saves me a little bit of money because I do it myself. So, maybe it's worth it. Maybe it's not. Who knows? But we're going to do that way. And also, I don't excuse me, I don't know when the last oil change was done, so doesn't hurt. Obviously do oil service, but this way everybody can know for sure that it was done. So I'm gonna say it was due. Wouldn't say it was overdue. It's due. So good thing. Well, I would have had my shop do it anyway. I don't see anything in it. There's nothing shiny or no plastic, metal, etc. So I already have the filter pop loose. We're gonna go ahead and cut it open. Man, it warmed up a little bit. It was, y'all that live up north, this might not be that cold to you, but man, it was 20, I think it was like 31 this morning for Savannah. That is absolutely freezing. We're gonna let that finish draining. We're gonna go over here. Alright, so baffles are nice and clean. Nothing in there that shouldn't be there. Just oil. No metal, plastic, everything looks good. Alright guys, I'm going to button this one up and we'll get her sold. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.